You've probably heard a lot about the iPhone 17e already, but the new leaks are painting a clearer picture of what this phone is shaping up to be. At first, many people thought the 17th would just be another basic entry-level iPhone, but slowly it's becoming obvious that Apple might be planning something more balanced this time. Something that doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel outdated, and doesn't feel like a compromise. Instead, it's starting to look like the kind of iPhone meant for people who want modern features without paying premium prices. The performance rumors are especially interesting. Multiple reports suggest that Apple might use the same generation A19 chip that powers the main iPhone 17 lineup. Even if it's a slightly scaled-down version, the difference for regular users will be almost impossible to notice. What you will notice is smooth navigation, quicker app launches, and better efficiency. This could be the kind of chip that ages well, meaning the phone stays fast even 2 or 3 years down the line. For an affordable model, that's a huge deal. The design is where Apple seems ready to finally move forward. The old notch, which Apple kept on budget models long after removing it from the higher-end ones, might finally be gone. The iPhone 17e is expected to get the dynamic island. That alone changes how the phone looks in the hand. It makes the screen feel more modern, more premium, and more aligned with Apple's newer flagship design language. Add the 6.1-inch OLED display into the mix, and suddenly this doesn't feel like an entry-level device at all. OLED means better contrast, richer colors, and a much nicer experience whether you're watching videos, playing games, or just scrolling social media. By the way, which one did you like the most? A notch or dynamic island? Comments below. You can also join our Telegram channel for exclusive leaks. The link is available in the description. Now, the real attention grabber is the camera system, especially the front camera. The iPhone 17e is rumored to jump to an 18-megapixel selfie camera. That's a massive upgrade, considering Apple stuck with 12 megapixels for years. With 18 megapixels, selfies could be sharper, low-light performance could improve, and even video calls might look more detailed. For content creators, this could be the first affordable iPhone that actually takes front-facing quality seriously. You can take a landscape selfie with the camera thanks to its square sensor. On the back, Apple is likely keeping a single 48-megapixel wide camera. And while it's not a triple-lens setup, Apple's software is strong enough that one good sensor can still deliver impressive results for everyday use, travel, or social media posting. Far better than Android phones' multi-camera setup. What makes all of this even more appealing is the expected price. Current rumors suggest the iPhone 17e could land somewhere around $599 to $649 in the US. It's not cheap, but compared to the $999+ price tags of flagship models, it's a much easier jump for most people. And if Apple really delivers the design upgrade, the A19 chip, the OLED display, and the new 18-megapixel camera at this price, it becomes a very attractive option. So now the question is simple. If Apple gives you a modern design, a powerful chip, and a much better front camera at a more reasonable price, would you pick the iPhone 17e over a more expensive flagship model? What matters more to you, value or premium features? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.